Aloha mai nei kako o Tracie Keolalani Keia. If you'd like a little bit more information about me, you can visit my website at traciekeolalani.com, and there you can get a copy of my book about my life called Life and Race Through the Eyes of a Brownish Local Girl, Tita E. This is Beginning Hawaiian, or Hawaiian for Beginners. 3 ways to greet someone in Hawaiian. Stay till the end of this video, where I will give you 2 insider tips on Hawaiian greetings. One of the main things about learning Hawaiian, and any language for that matter, is being able to pronounce words or speak like a native speaker. If you would like more help with being able to speak better, you can watch the first video to my Papahana Puana, my pronunciation series. Just click the link above. So let's get started. The first way to greet someone in Hawaiian is aloha. E ho'opili mai. Repeat after me. Aloha. Maikai. Aloha. If you watch my other videos, what you want to watch out for are those diphthongs. So it's not aloha. Aloha. You hear that OW sound? That's a diphthong. Stay away from that. That's a no-no. Aole. Greeting number 2, elua. Now this is a greeting for somebody that you're familiar with. So it's somebody that you already know. It's not greeting a stranger. E ho'opili mai. Hui. Or hui. E nei. Hui. E nei. If you are greeting several people that you know, you can just say hui. E kolu, the third way to greet someone. Now this is a formal greeting to one person that you're not familiar with, or maybe you're making a speech and this is for a bunch of people. So, e ho'opili mai, repeat after me. Velina. Velina. Maikai, hanaho. Velina. Velina. Maikai. Now, the 2 insider tips that I have for you today. So, tip number 1 for greetings. You're greeting somebody and you want to say aloha, but you don't have aloha for that person. Like maybe you don't like them, or maybe you're having just a bad day and you're not feeling that aloha. Don't give them the aloha. Because if you're not feeling the aloha, don't say aloha. Just say hello, right? So tip number 1, repeat after me. No aloha, no seum. One more time. No aloha, no seum. Right? Just say hello. If you don't know aloha for somebody, no say aloha, because aloha also means love. Tip number 2, repeat after me. No leave the aloha hanging. One more time. No leave the aloha hanging. And one example for you is, if you've ever seen a local boy from Hawaii shake hands, you're going to hear them make this cupping noise. It sounds like a popping sound, and then go. So pretend this is me. I'm a local boy and I'm going to shake hands with another local boy. But it's just like you leaving that guy hanging. So when you reach out for shake his hand, he no shake your hand, right? So again, no leave the aloha hanging. Whenever somebody greets you with an aloha, like hui, aloha, give them aloha back. Unless, like I said in tip number 1, you're not feeling it, then just say hello, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video today. 3 ways to greet someone in Hawaiian. And I will see you in the next video.